We're in a company called Granada Glazing in Dinnington. The project basically was to support the roof members in the building following damage from a forklift truck to a column, a main structural column in the building itself.
We felt very supported throughout. Obviously, it's not something we've dealt with before, the size of this accident anyway. Support's been fantastic. It's all been a massive challenge from start to finish, but it's nice to start making progress on the repair.
The project was designed using mass 25 towers with a capacity of 25 tonne per leg. We used 4-leg towers for stability. We could have actually propped the roof with single props, but felt it was much safer, much easier to put 4-leg towers up. And it also gives us access to the column, which has to be removed and replaced. It's obviously an operating factory, and it has to remain so. And we had to keep the footprint of the propping to a minimum to allow the factory to continue working. And as I've already mentioned, we have to get the column out to repair it and replace it. All the way through, the feedback we've had has been very positive, and we've kept them updated regularly.
We'll definitely use Mabey Hire again. It's been really easy from start to finish. Obviously, hopefully we don't have to do it again, but we know to go to now.